What's up, everyone? The next break is from an eBay auction that ended last night. We're going to do 4 Mosaic blasters, 3 Mosaic hangers, and 3 Mosaic cellos. Let's go over the team spots. Brian, Cardinals; Rob, Falcons; Josh, Ravens; Robert, Bills; Jesse, Panthers; James, Bears; Ryan, Bengals; and Matthew has the Browns; Steven, Broncos; Rob, Lions; Robert, Packers; and Logan has the Texans; Adam, Colts; Andrew, Jayville; Justin, Chiefs; Emmett, Raiders; Josh, Chargers; and the Rams; Chris, Dolphins; Emmett, Vikings; Andrew, Patriots; and Emmett, Saints. Andrew has the Jets and Rob has the Eagles; Josh, Steelers; Kevin, 49ers; Robert, Seahawks; Andrew, Bucks; and Josh has the Tennessee Titans. Welcome all new members. When we're done with each and every break, we will do a recap of all the hits pulled, plus check out our group page. We list 3 or 4 breaks every day. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Here we go. Cello number 1, 15 cards. Matt Ryan to the Falcons; Von Miller, Strahan, Henry Ruggs, Roethlisberger, Jalen Waddle, debut Miami, and Kirk Cousins. We have Kurt Warner, green Mosaic, in prime time to the Atlanta Falcons; Curtis Martin, green Mosaic; Shi Smith and Nahshon Wright, Cowboys. A.J. Brown, Tennessee; Caleb Farley, camo to Tennessee; and D-Hop, Cardinals. Cello number 2. We have Robert Tonyan, Allen Robinson, Mark Brunell, Devin White, Daniel Jones, and Derek Brooks. Josh Jacobs, Devontae Adams, Green Bay Packers; Touchdown Masters, Kyler Murray, Hall of Fame, Joe Montana; Peyton Turner, and Elijah Mitchell, rookie, 49ers. We have Hunter, pink camo; Dwayne Eskridge, pink camo, rookie, Seahawks; and Nick Chubb, Cleveland. Cello number 3. We have Zeke, Dallas; Amos, Packers; Urlacher, Bears; and Leonard Williams, Dan Fouts; Najee Harris, Pittsburgh; and Alvin Kamara. Jim Kelly, green, Buffalo; Lamar Jackson, got game, Ravens; Tyreek Hill, silver Mosaic, Touchdown Masters; Seth Williams and Greg Rousseau, Buffalo. Jeff Okudah, Trey Lance, very nice, pink camo, 49ers. There you go, Kevin. Nice hit, sir. And Steve Young, 49ers. Back-to-back hits for you, bud. Congrats. All right, let's do a hanger next. We'll go back and forth between hangers and blasters. 20 count. Hanger number 1, Matt Ryan, Von Miller, and Joe DeLemieux. John Riggins, Curtis Martin, Austin Eckler. Nice, Trey Sermon. This is his silver prism. Rookie card, 49ers. There you go, Kevin. A couple nice hits already for you, bud. Nice one. Ray Lewis, Len Dawson, Chiefs. Tom Brady, reactive to the Patriots. Nice hit, Andrew. Peyton Manning, Justin Herbert, Chargers; and Tutu Atwell, reactive, rookie, Rams. Thomas Davis, Derek Carr, Raiders; Kyle Pitts, debut rookie, Falcons; Tony, New York; and Jabril Cox, Cowboys; Racey McMath and Jalen Phillips, Miami. Blaster number 1. DJ Moore, Stephon Gilmore, Bradshaw, and Lance, base rookie, 49ers. Carson Wentz, Fitzpatrick, Hunter Long, Miami, and Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Ocho Cinco, Sam Darnold, Got Game, Kittle. Evan McPherson, rookie, Cincinnati. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Keenan Allen, Joe Burrow, Green Mosaic, Cincinnati, Montana 49ers. Emmitt Smith and Deontay Johnson, Will to Win, Joe Montana, and Eskridge, Seattle. Aaron Rodgers, Byron Jones, Tua, Silver Mosaic, Miami. Nice hit, Dolphins. Derek Brooks, Tampa Bay. McCaffrey, Burris, Got Game, Lamar, Marset, Minnesota. Last pack of the first blaster. Pittman, Darren Waller, Jamar Chase, very nice. Green Mosaic, Bengals. Nice hit, Cincinnati. Congrats, Ryan. Jacobs, Raiders. Hanger number 2. Patrick Queen and Donald Driver, Daniel Jones and Josh Jacobs, Fletcher Cox. Nice silver, Josh Palmer. This is the photo variation, Chargers. Nice hit, Josh. Congrats, man. Jake Funk. This is his silver prism. To the Rams. Nice hit, Rams. J.C. Horn, silver mosaic, Carolina. Jonathan Taylor. That goes to the Colts. Aaron Rodgers, silver mosaic. D-Hop, reactive. Jake Plummer, Peyton Manning. Skronik, Rams. Zach Wilson, debut, Jets. Kyler Murray, Cardinals, Montana. Derek Brooks, Rondale Moore, Kylan Hill, and Anthony Schwartz, Cleveland. Blaster number 2. Jalen Smith and Kirk Cousins, Hall of Fame, Dan Fouts, Dokes, Dolphins. Patrick Queen and Jamal Adams. We have Jalen Rieger to the Eagles, Ray Lewis, Ravens. Donald Driver, Drew Brees, Got Game, Grunt, Nico Collins, Texans. Anderson, Chenault, Tom Brady, Green Mosaic to the Patriots. Nice hit, Andrew. Walter Payton, Bears. Quentin Nelson and Max Crosby, Nick Chubb, Cleveland. Noah Gray, Chiefs. Trent Dilfer and Jerome Bettis, Marquez Stevenson. That goes to Buffalo. Lamar Jackson, Ravens. Baker, Devontae Parker, Swift, Silver Prism, Lions. We have Caleb Farley, Tennessee. Last pack of the second blaster. Billy Sims and Tyler Lockett, Tomlinson. That goes to the Chargers. Zach Wilson, debut rookie, Jets. Another hit for New York. Hanger number 3. Jim Kelly, Buffalo, Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, and Peyton Manning. Williams, Dan Fouts, Chase Claypool, Von Miller, silver mosaic. We have Aaron Jones and Ray Lewis, will to win. Saquon Barkley, Tom Brady, orange reactive. Drew Brees and Chuba Hubbard, Carolina Panthers. Watt, Texans. Derrick Henry, Gainwell. Newsome, Browns, and Fields, base rookie, Chicago. Nice hit, Bears. And Micah, base hit, Cowboys. Nice hit, Dallas. Blaster number 3. Koo, Harrison, Josh Allen, green mosaic, and Ben Skronik to the Rams. Barry Sanders, Myles Gaskin, Jalen Hurts, green, Patrick Surtain, Broncos. Tremaine Edmonds and Metcalf, A.J. Brown and Deo, Colts. Andre Johnson, Damian Harris, Aaron Rodgers, green to the Packers. Metcalf, Seattle. Joe Burrow and Derrick Henry, Sanders, Falcons. Javonte Williams, Broncos. Tyreek Hill and Leonard Williams, semi, green mosaic, Dallas. Marcus Allen, Raiders. 2 packs to go in the third blaster. Dion and Dan Fouts. Boom! Very nice. Zach Wilson, silver prism rookie, New York Jets. Andrew, there you go, bud. Very nice card, man. Congrats, sir. Ellinger, Colts. Ray Lewis and Claypool, Campbell, green. John Elway, Broncos. Blaster number 4. Lamar Jackson and Adam Thielen, Jalen Hurts and Davis Mills, Texans. Walter Payton and Chris Godwin, Josh Allen, green. James Robinson, Jaguars. James Robinson, Malcolm Jenkins, Aaron Rodgers, and Chris Evans, Bengals. Myles Garrett, Charles Woodson. Nice. Jalen Waddle, green mosaic, debut rookie, Dolphins. Nice hit, Chris. ATN, Jayville. Julio Jones and Jalen Reagor, Marshall Faulk to the Rams. Fitzpatrick, Tennessee. Jared Goff and Tua. Josh Palmer, green. Antonio Gibson, Washington. Stephon Diggs and Russell Wilson, Justin Jefferson and Campbell, Jayville. All right, guys, last pack. We'll do a recap as soon as we're done. Brandon Cooks, Harrison, Kirk Cousins, green, Vikes. Drew Brees, Saints. All right, everyone, here we go. Let's do a recap. Jake Funk, silver prism rookie, Rams. Josh Palmer, Trey Lance, base and his green, pink camo to the 49ers. Trey Sermon, silver. Tom Brady and his orange reactive. And another Jalen Waddle, green mosaic. And Jamar Chase, Bengals. Justin Fields, Zach Wilson, 2 debuts. And his silver prism. Those all go to the New York Jets. All right, guys, thanks for a great break. Coming up this afternoon, we have more limited and playbook football. Plus, we have Spectra mixed with the brand new product, Heritage Baseball 2022. We will see you then.